Hey Patrick, how you doing? Thank you so much for including your presentation. I've got you up right here. Okay, this is just a great technique, isn't it? This is just a blast. I think this is one of the best exercises in creativity that I've ever seen. And I do this quite often. I think most designers do kind of practice just kind of making word combinations and thinking or sketching of how you would illustrate them or how you would represent these ideas visually. So really, really great technique here. Remember this as you move through your student career and your design career as well. It's just a wonderful exercise in creativity. Okay, the elevator pitch works perfect. It does. I'm sold. I'm in, definitely. I'm interested in seeing more. So I think this is great. Summary works out pretty well too. Um, it's interesting that your elevator pitch is longer than your summary. That's typically the complete opposite. Elevator pitch should be really, it's selling the idea, and really the result you're looking for is for the person who you're selling this idea to want to see more. And that's why I said I'm sold, because I'd like to see more, definitely. So good job. Okay, let's take a look at the sketches. I think the sketches, at this point, I think you're kind of making it difficult for the viewer to see your sketches and to see your intent. And in presentation, you should really be making it all about the viewer, so make it as easy as possible for the viewer to review your intent. And the reason I say that is because your sketches are so small. You've got 3 sketches on a page. And then you've got these kind of descriptions, which is great. It's fantastic to include descriptions. But yours are kind of set on the side, so there's no way to read them without either turning your head or rotating the page. So we rotate the page and we can see the description. So if I do that, we can see the descriptions. But my question here, well, let me finish this thought first. So what you want to do in your presentation is you want to make it, as I said, you want to make it as easy as possible for the viewer to understand what's happening. So nice big sketches, and make sure you label them in a way that the viewer doesn't have to rotate the page to see. Okay, so the main thing I'm seeing with your sketches and your descriptions is that, now don't forget, this is a composite assignment. So the digital composition is going to be a composite, meaning it's a combination of different images. So like this, for example, I don't know. I mean, is that an actual combination of images, or is that an image of a bar? Do you see what I'm saying? I just want to make sure that you're aware that these are indeed the assignment requires a composite, which means, again, mixing several images to create one composition. So my recommendation for your final submission for the week is to, if you want, I mean, if you want to just kind of summarize these a little bit, just make your presentation a little bit, maybe just crop those out and just give us a really good idea, and maybe even allude to, in your writing, just say how you plan on compositing the work together, if that makes sense. Okay. Great job. Great job. If you have any questions at all, you need any clarification, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you very much.